In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete named ranges in Google Sheets. Managing your named ranges is a simple yet essential skill for keeping your spreadsheet organized and clutter-free. Named ranges are incredibly useful when you want to assign meaningful labels to specific sets of data within your sheet, making functions and formulas more intuitive to read. However, sometimes you no longer need those named ranges, or they become irrelevant. Whether you've consolidated data, changed your data set, or simply mislabeled a range, clearing up your cache of named ranges can help keep your spreadsheet tidy and prevent confusion later on. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document where you have named ranges you wish to delete. Once you've got your sheet open and ready, navigate your attention to the menu at the top of the page. You'll notice several options strewn across the interface, but for our purpose, you'll want to hover over the Data tab. Go ahead and click on Data. This opens a drop-down menu with various options related to data management. Here, you'll want to look for and click on Named Ranges. Doing this will bring up a sidebar on the right side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to managing all of the named ranges that are currently set up in your spreadsheet. Inside this sidebar, you'll see a list of all the named ranges that exist within your document. Take a moment to locate the specific named range you wish to remove from this list. With the named range you intend to delete identified, click on it to select it. This action makes sure you are prepared to delete the correct named range. Now, here's the most crucial step. Look for the small trash icon that typically appears adjacent to the name within that sidebar. This icon is the key to removing the selected range. Click on the trash icon, and just like that, your selected named range is removed from the document. This straightforward action ensures that your spreadsheet remains decluttered and manageable. Feel confident in the knowledge that removing unnecessary named ranges will streamline your workflow, making your data management more efficient. Keep in mind that deleting a named range is a permanent action, so ensure you're removing the correct one to avoid having to recreate it later. To sum it up, you start by clicking Data, then Named Ranges, select the range from the sidebar, and click the trash icon. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to maintain the organization and integrity of your Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to check out the rest of our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.